Hello, I would like to do with you some series of chair positions so you can go with a little sequence with me. So we're gonna be standing with feet together, big toes in, spreading the rest of your toes out. Bend your knees, tuck table under, send your hands on top of your thighs, and reach forward and up with your arms. Rise shoulders up towards your ears. Inhale, exhale, release shoulders down. Drop hips down as you are going to squat and tilt pelvis in to open chest up. This is your chair pose. So from the side, what we did, we lift shoulders up, release, we bring hips back, broad hips back, and then we tilt our pelvis in. So knees in line with the second toe, you can still see your toes over your knees. This is your chair pose. Place hands at the heart center in the prayer position and twist your spine to your right side. Elbow on your right thigh. Press down with your top hand. Twist your back. Look over your right shoulder, right elbow. Make sure that your knees and toes are in line. So you send your knees together. Variation, the left hand goes outside of your right leg. You reach out with your right hand. It's a deep squat here. You feel deep stretch in your back, obliques, and strong workout in your quads. Inhale, exhale, lower hands down. Beside your legs, we're gonna bend our legs. You can embrace legs from the behind and rest head down over your legs. Deep forward bend, bring shoulders away from your ears. Maybe take a few rocks front and back. Find the center, release hands down in easy fold. Bend your knees, tuck table under, reach up through your arms. Chair pose, tuck your table under, send hips back, look ahead. You feel burning in your thighs. Palms at the heart center, inhale, exhale, twist your spine to your left side. Knees in line, pressing down with your top hand over your lower hand. Gaze over your left shoulder. Breathing in and breathing out. Inhale, as you exhale, you can extend your arms. Right arm goes outside of your left leg, and the left arm goes up. You gaze up towards your top hand, lift your head up. Engage your center, your stomach muscles. Inhale, exhale, lower top hand down, both hands beside your legs. Arms go behind your legs. You stretch your legs and take a deep forward bend. Shoulders away from your ears, lift them up. And maybe rock front and back, balancing on your feet. In deep forward bend. Then you find the center, relax hands down. Bend your knees and go to crunch position. Palms in front of you, rock front and back, balancing on your hands and feet. And press down through your hands, stretch your legs, spread feet out to hip width distance, relax head down. Bend your knees, interlace fingers behind you, inhale, exhale, stretch your legs and send hands down towards your head. You can keep your knees also bent if you prefer, you can have them lengthened, sending weight forward. You can balance with your upper body from side to side. Find the center, bend your knees, release chest on top of your thighs, relax hands down to the ground. Inhale, And exhale, draw navel in towards your back to curve spine up vertebra by vertebra. As you come up to standing, rotate shoulders back, palms are facing forward, spreading toes and fingers out, your back in mountain pose. You can move your weight front and back, close your eyes. Shifting weight from side to side. Find the center, reach up through your hands, palms at the heart center, take a walk on spot, alternate your heels rises to release tension of your legs, and rise up on your toes, send hands up, and send arms to the side. Look over one shoulder, back to the center, the other shoulder, back to the center, and lower heels down. Release hands down, shake your legs. Thank you for watching. Namaste.